The journey begins where the fruit draws life from soil and sun.
Skilled hands prepare to harvest at the perfect moment of ripeness.
Each avocado is chosen, never rushed, never forced.
Protection begins from the very first drop. The field hands its yield to logistics.
Quality is verified before the fruit ever leaves the land.
Every movement prepares for the road ahead.
The harvest leaves the trees, but not the care.
From fertile ground, the journey toward transformation begins. Distance is bridged by careful transport. Stability protects freshness mile after mile.
Human judgment guides every delivery.
Entry marks the next phase of care.
Order replaces openness.
Precision begins before unloading.
Nothing moves forward unchecked. Where nature meets controlled precision.
Timing and coordination guide every arrival.
The environment shifts, the rules change.
Space is designed for flow, not pause.
Even release preserves integrity.
Space clears for the next cycle.
The line begins to speak. Human oversight remains constant. The first cleansing begins. Field dust is washed away by controlled force.
Cleaning remains gentle, never abrasive.
Only the best continue forward. Uniformity is engineered, not assumed. Technology enhances human precision.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Cleanliness is reaffirmed.
Prepared fruit moves toward transformation.
Ripeness is guided, not left to chance. Order prepares the fruit for precision. Conditions are tuned to preserve freshness. Transformation begins with exact division. Precision preserves structure and quality.
What is not needed is removed efficiently.
The edible heart is carefully separated.
Every output has a destination.
The base of fresh juice is formed.
The core ingredient moves forward, ready for refinement.
Texture is refined without heat.
Traditional principles meet modern control. The juice begins to take form. Balance is achieved through measurement. Quality is measured continuously. Automation takes control without losing care.
Cleanliness is confirmed, not assumed.
Security is measured in decimals. Identity is applied with precision.
Presentation reflects discipline.
Traceability is built into every unit.
Safety is silently verified.
Final touches remove all excess.
Accuracy repeats itself hundreds of times per minute. Structure prepares for volume.
Containment completes the unit.
Verification stands between process and promise.
Safety is examined at the microscopic level.
Time is simulated before release.
Data confirms discipline.
Authorization clears the path forward.
Approval releases the final flow. The final assembly begins.
Order is built layer by layer. Identity follows every shipment.
Freshness is protected until departure.
Inventory rests in controlled silence.